In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TikTok to Facebook. Now, ensure that you watch the video to the very end so that you do not make any mistake. And of course, if you find this video useful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also to like the video. Now, thank you guys. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your TikTok app and open it. Then you will move to your profile page. Then you will click on your username. Your username is that which begins with @ just tap on it. Then you can see username copied. So you've copied your username on the clipboard. Then you will close TikTok and then you will open your Facebook. Now once you are on your Facebook, just click on your profile. You will click on your profile on your farthest left. Then you will click edit profile. Then you will scroll down. Just beside links on your farthest right, just click on add. Then you will see add social link. So just click on add social link. Then you will choose the platform. Just click on tap on the platform button. Then you will choose TikTok. Then you will insert your TikTok username. You just paste it, the one that we copied from TikTok, and then it will be added. So as you can see, the TikTok username has been added and has been connected to Facebook. Now if you go back to our Facebook profile, we are going to see that TikTok has been connected on our profile. So we'll just go back. We'll click save changes and then go back. We'll go back. Now if you come to our profile page, you will just click about you just click on see your about info. Just click on it, and then if you go to contact info, you're going to see the TikTok account has been added. So that's it guys. That's how you can connect TikTok to Facebook.